Welcome back. I'm Rhea Rivers. This is night 6 of your 28-night nervous system reset. Tonight we address the heat within. We are entering the clearing of the fire's glow, a space designed to take the burning energy of anger, frustration, or resentment and transform it into a gentle, steady warmth that leads to sleep. Anger is not your enemy tonight. It is simply unprocessed energy. Here we do not fight it, we refine it. By the end of this session, that jagged, restless heat in your chest will soften into a low ember, guiding you into a deep and peaceful slumber. If you are joining this journey for the first time, you can find the beginning of our reset in the playlist below. For those continuing on, settle in. Let your blankets hold you. Inhale deeply, feeling the air expand against any tightness. Hold it, acknowledging that pressure, and breath out slowly. Imagine you have walked through the shoreline to a small stone hearth nestled in a safe clearing. In the center of this clearing, a fire is roaring. This fire represents the frustrations of your day, the words left unsaid, the injustices felt, the should-haves and the could-haves. Breathe in, drawing the heat of your frustration to the surface. Breathe out, and watch as you cast those heavy logs into the flames. The fire flares up, but you are at a safe distance. Feel the intensity of the light. It is okay to feel this heat. It is okay to be tired of carrying it. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Whisper to yourself, "My anger is valid, but it does not need to stay awake with me." Watch the flames carefully. Notice how the wood, the hard, rigid events of your day, is slowly breaking down. It is turning from sharp edges into soft, glowing ash. Inhale the warmth of the glow. Exhale and release the grip in your hands. Open your palms. Whisper to yourself, "I transform my friction into fuel. I transform my heat into light." As the fire settles, the erratic flickering calms into a steady, rhythmic pulse. The harsh red light turns to a soothing golden amber. This is the light of understanding. This is the light of self-compassion. The fire is no longer a wild thing, it is a hearth. It is here to keep you warm, not to keep you alert. Breathe in the golden light. Breathe out, feeling the fight leave your muscles and sink into the earth. I am letting go of the need to be right. I am choosing the need to be rested. The forest around the clearing is still. The stars above are cool and distant, balancing the warmth of the embers. Your heart rate is beginning to mirror the slow, steady pulse of the glowing coals. Inhale the scent of wood smoke and night air. Exhale and feel your chest become light and spacious. Imagine the golden glow of the hearth spreading across the floor toward you. It touches your toes. It bathes your legs in a liquid, heavy warmth. It moves through your hips. And washes over your heart. Every cell that was on guard is now being bathed in this restorative light. Breathe in, feeling the belly rise with ease. Exhale, sinking deeper into the bed, as if you are melting into the earth. Whisper to yourself, I release the weights I did not ask to carry. Now visualize the cooling process. As the flames die down, a gentle silver mist begins to roll in from the edge of the clearing. It doesn't extinguish the warmth, it simply balances the heat. Feel this cool silver mist move over your forehead. It smooths away the lines of concentration. It moves over your eyes, making the lids feel like heavy velvet. Breathe in the balance of the warm hearth and the cool night. Breathe out, letting the last of the fire in your mind turn into a soft, quiet smoke that drifts away. Remind yourself, my mind is a cool lake, my heart is a steady flame. The logs are now nothing but a beautiful, pulsing map of orange embers. There is no more noise, no more crackling. Only the deep, resonant silence of the clearing. Listen to the silence. It is wide. It is patient. It has plenty of room for you to simply exist. Inhale the stillness. Exhale and let your arms feel long and motionless at your sides. Imagine you are wrapping yourself in a cloak of soft, cool shadow. It protects you. It hides you from the demands of tomorrow. You are invisible to your worries. Whisper to yourself, I have done enough for today. I am enough for tonight. The fire is now just a soft, low hum of embers. The light is dimming. The clearing is becoming dark and cozy. Your eyes feel heavy, pulled down by the weight of the peaceful night. Inhale the fading warmth. Exhale and let your mind go quiet, like a room where the last candle has been blown out. Notice your forehead. Let the last of the tension melt away like wax. Notice your throat. Let it become soft and open. Remind yourself, I am at peace with the day. I am ready for the dark. The embers are turning to gray ash. The work is done. The energy has been spent. There is nothing left to do but drift. You are moving away from the fire, into the velvet embrace of sleep. Your nervous system is nourished. Your spirit is calm. We will return tomorrow for night 7. But for now, there is only the glow. Only the warmth. Only the deep, restorative dark. One last slow breath in. Hold it, feeling the internal quiet. And let it all go. Sleep now, in the light of the embers. Into the dream.